Story premise *. In a distant galaxy, a group of animal friends from different planets come together to form the Galactic Guardians. Their mission is to protect the galaxy from threats like asteroid collisions, black holes, and alien invasions. Led by the brave and clever Captain Orion, a lion from the planet Leo, the team includes Astrid the astronaut, a rabbit from the moon, Zara the zoologist, a zebra from the planet Zorbia, Nova the navigator, a narwhal from the icy planet Glaciaria, Sam the scientist, a squirrel from the planet Squirrellos. Episode ideas * 1. The asteroid alert. The Galactic Guardians must stop an asteroid from colliding with a populated planet. 2. The black hole rescue. The team must rescue a group of aliens trapped in a black hole. 3. The alien invasion. The Galactic Guardians defend the galaxy against an alien invasion. 4. The space storm. The team must navigate through a treacherous space storm to reach a stranded spaceship. 5. The lost planet. The Galactic Guardians search for a lost planet with a unique ecosystem. Teamwork and collaboration. Science and astronomy. Problem-solving and critical thinking. Diversity and inclusivity. Bravery and leadership.
Subscribe to my channel.